What you're gonna need is a white piece of paper, pen, and a glue stick. That's it. What you do is you take the paper, fold it like this, fold the other side, then you take this, fold it up to there, just like that. Then you take the glue stick, put some glue here, right there, not right here, just right here, halfway. Press down. Therefore, that'll give you that pocket. And you take this, kind of have them meet together, just like that. Open them up. Just put a little glue right here, right above the crease. Right above the crease. Press down. Fold. And there you go, an envelope. What you do is go ahead and grab it. Enter what you need. Little glue here, little glue there. Take it. Then you go to, from, your postage sticker. Voila.